to Nanjo Francisco Reports. For this episode, we are featuring Balik Saya 2024, presented by the Overseas Workers Welfare Administration in collaboration with the Philippine Embassy in Manama, the Migrant Workers Office, and various Filipino community organizations. The highly anticipated Balik Saya 2024 concluded with resounding success. The event was held at Oasis Mall in Jufair. Balik Saya 2024 served as a platform to honor the dedication and resilience of the overseas Filipino workers who play an integral role in the development and progress of both the Philippines and the Kingdom of Bahrain. The event aimed to foster a sense of pride, unity, and appreciation among OFWs and their families. The day-long celebration was divided into two main parts: the morning activities and the afternoon activities. Now, the morning session, held indoors on the first floor of Oasis Mall, featured a consular outreach mission led by Ambassador Anne Halandoon Luis and the Philippine Embassy team. This session provided essential consular services, overseas voting registration, and assistance with SSS, PhilHealth, and Pag-ibig for OFWs, including medical checkups and the general health services, ensuring the well-being of all attendees. The afternoon session, held outdoors in the Oasis Mall parking lot, showcased the vibrant Filipino culture and extraordinary talents. OWA Administrator Honorable Arnel A. Ignacio and his delegation graced the event along with Ambassador Luis and other embassy officials. A highlight of the event was the OFW Got Talent segments, which showcased the diverse talents of the overseas Filipino workers community and featured finalists from Al-Khobar and Bahrain. Now, I'm going to show you some of the highlights of the event. Take a look. Good morning. We're now here at Oasis Mall to cover the event Balik Saya, and we are here to interview our Philippine Ambassador to Bahrain, Her Excellency Anne Halandoon Luis, just to get a few words about the event. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Nanju.
And can you tell us about the event today and the activity of the embassy in this special event?
Yes, today, April 26, 2024, we are holding the OWA Balik Saya for OFWs in the Kingdom of Bahrain. And part of this, starting this morning, from 10 o'clock in the morning until 3:30 p.m., we have the consular outreach mission being conducted by the Philippine Embassy here in Manama, Kingdom of Bahrain. And in this mission, we are extending consular assistance to national services and other kinds of services, as well as answering queries from Filipinos on the services of the embassy. And aside from that, we also have health and wellness services. So the embassy partnered with Filipino Club Bahrain, the Filipino Community Umbrella Organization, in working with several partners in providing free services to our kabayan, such as free medical checkup, dental checkup, eye checkup, and also the checking of vital signs, blood pressure, random blood sugar. Para sa ating mga kabayan ito, libre lahat ito. So, nandito kami ngayon, and we are thankful also to Oasis Mall for providing this facility that we are able to use. And as you may see, marami pong kabayan natin ang pupunta ngayon. Then starting at 4 o'clock this afternoon, outdoors sa parking area ng Oasis Mall, we will have the cultural program and entertainment. So through OWA, they were able to bring some celebrities, artists from the Philippines who will perform. The program will be hosted by Eric Nicolas and Tupo. And we also have singer Ayla Santos. And we have Peter Rosalita from Dubai. And we also have the holding of the OFW Got Talent for Alcobar and for Bahrain. And of course, nandito yung OWA delegation from the Philippines headed by OWA Administrator Arnel Ignacio. So we have many activities lined up for the whole day.
Would you like to invite those who are not here yet, ma'am, to come? Until what time po kayo nandito, ma'am?
So the Consular Outreach Mission and Health and Wellness Services is until 3:30 p.m. today because we need to end kasi lilipat na naman tayo doon sa labas for the cultural and entertainment program which will start naman at 4 o'clock hanggang 11 o'clock in the night. So, yung mga kabayan natin dito sa Kingdom of Bahrain, please makipunta kayo dito sa Oasis Mall Jufair for the OWA Baliksaya for the OFWs in Bahrain. Para po sa inyo ito.
Thank you po, ma'am. Thank you
Maraming
very much.
salamat, Nanjun.
Thank you, ma'am. Salamat po. Lalagay ko to. Ilalagay ko to. Happy anniversary! Thank you! Thank you! Hello, Kim's Health. How are you? Hello. Magi kayo. Hello po.
Dito kami sa Jufair. Papa-blood test. Baka meron na kami. Gusto namin makikita sa Sir Arnel! Is this the raffle? No. Raffle, this one?
The raffle, yeah.
Okay.
They put your name and contact number, then you can get the box.
Can I also join?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, dear.
Paano ka ba maglalagad mo? Dito ka. Ate!
Thank you.
Kasi usually po, di ba, yung mga products na ginagamit natin is medyo mataas yung acidity. So ito po, yan, sobrang maganda po yan sa skin natin.
Kunan ko kayo ha habang kumukuha.
Ang booster na daw.
Thank you po. Hello. Salamat lagi sa pag-update sa akin dito sa mga dito sa Bahrain, Ma'am Nanjo. Thank you.
Saan ko nakakuha ng number dito, ma'am? Saan ko kumukuha ng number?
Hindi ka magsisisi pagdating ng araw. Tatawanan ko lang yung dyan.
Papalarin pa tayo.
Nakakaya nga sa ibang OFW na ano, yung tricycle driver, nakatuloy na nasa. Nakapag-pension ng tricycle driver. Ayaw itindihin kasi sa
Hi! Siguro po tayo sa pin. Punta po kayo. Salamat po Thank you po mga kababayan. Mas mapilang po mag-pick up. Sino po yung mga nakapil up na? Wala pa po?
kami mga mayroon na.
Nakapil up po. Ano yung mga meron na? Nakapil up na po tayo?
Mayroon na siya.
Sa attendance yan, lahat na kaso na sila. Bakit ikaw mo na? Tignan mo sa baba.
Mas follow lang po. Para po sa mga bagong anunsyo po ng embahada po, aside sa Facebook po namin, at sa follow lang po. Sir, in a way, kung sino-sino. Thank you po. Ganun. Sige po, may WhatsApp po. Para gusto lang po. Isang stand lang po. Remember, i-try mo dito sa isa sa commissioner. Ay, buksan nyo lang po yung WhatsApp nyo, tapos ay, camera lang po, diretso na po.
Ako, technology kasi ano yun lang.
Para updated po kayo sa mga
Good morning, sir.
Morning, kasi yung follow lang. Okay po, follow lang. Ilipat na to. Armor, yun ang gawin mo na lang. Para ito yung ano, kapatid.
Kapag-anak ko. Kapag-anak ko yun.
Ano yung mga Chinese story? Pero, ang gagawin lang namin dyan sa start, ang gagawin lang namin dyan
Kasi marami rin ako ipapa-attendance sa Hindi nagbigay na ako. Hi, Chick! Morning! Kunan ko po kayo, ha? Philippine Embassy! Good morning po! Hi! Hello! Hello po! Thank you, Philippine Embassy! For always taking care of the OFWs. Thank you! Madala ko sa inyo yung link. Thank you. Mga tao sa baba. Hi, Ma'am Nachu! Thank you so much! Nalagay ko to, ha?
Yes, po.
Bati naman kayo sa Pilipinas. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for supporting me.
Hello po.
Enjoy po. Hello. Thank you. Kapatid, thank you for your help, ha? Always there. Thank you. Thank you po, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Dapat pwede yung tinuro nyo.
Gusto niyo tumaba? Kain kayo sa Lolos.
Kumain kayo sa Lolos! Thank you po. hapon po, Pinoy Turo. Kamusta na po kayo?
Buti naman.
Buti po nandito po kayo.
Yes, thank you very much.
May picture po namin kayo.
Sure.
Masarap po ba ang pagkain?
Super sarap po.
Enjoy po. Thank you. Thank you.
Pinoy Turo po
Pinoy
kami.
Turo.
We are connected.
Gayain niyo po silang pumunta sa Pinoy Turo.
Hi everyone! Welcome to Pinoy Turo. Kami ang pinakamasarap na Pinoy Turo sa buong Bahrain. So, please come over and try us. So, we accommodate many people, especially Filipinos and non-Filipinos.
Hanggang ano oras po kayo dito ngayon?
So, we are here from 10 o'clock in the morning up to 11 o'clock in the night.
So, may pagkakataon pa po silang habulin kayo.
Sure!
Thank you po.
Bye!
Thank you. Hello po. Hello po. Hello po. We have a newspaper. It's called Pinoy Action News Online. So, hanapin nyo Pinoy Action News.
Multivitamins, ma'am.
Thank you.
Permactive. Sa mga nag-ahabol ng mini-posal, baby, the best Permactive.
Mamaya babalik ako, kukunan ko kayo ng picture. Thank you.
Permactive, mama.
Okay.
The Sunshine Multivitamins. World class quality but affordable.
Thank you.
Nang ano niya? Ay, yung sa ano? Yung... Oo. Lagun ka. Ayun na.
Hello po. Hello po. Hello. Kaway po kayo. Okay.
Ikaw yung judge? You're the judge? Thank you very much.
Hello guys! Ay, ito Miss Universe? Stop! SKBR! Thank you!
Ay, hello po. Ay, hello po.
Kumain po kayo. Hello! Ladies in red.
Balik saya.
Balik saya.
Tapos na yung tapos na yung Alabira Festival. So, welcome na mga
Balik saya.
Balik saya. Ito po lahat ng mga guardian. Lahat ng guardian sa lahat ng suporta. Lahat ng suporta sa lahat ng event.
Hindi. Ha?
Hi, vlog!
Sa Filipino News po ito.
Napakabait. First time ko nakilala. Talaga naman kung pag kami hinarap. Kala mo, hindi ho siya doon sa kung ano yung katungkulan niya ngayon. Ambassador Ann Halandon Luis. Palakpakan po natin, Ambassador! Magandang gabi po. Pakialalayan si Ambassador. Ayan. Pakilalayan si Ambassador. Embassy, pakilalayan siya. Ayan.
Maraming salamat, Eric. Good afternoon po sa lahat. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. And I also wish to greet good afternoon our guests who are not Filipinos, who are here, our Bahraini and other friends. Welcome to this event. As mentioned, the title of this event is Balik Saya. And we are trying to bring joy back, especially after the pandemic and after the recent challenges. So we're happy that there are many Filipinos who are gathered here, and I know that there will be many more who will be coming because some of them are still at work, and hopefully they will be off from work shortly and will be joining us later this evening. So this morning started with our cultural outreach mission and health and wellness services inside the Oasis Mall. And I'm happy that from 10 a.m. to about 3:30 p.m. we were able to serve almost 700 Filipinos who availed of the services. And in our cultural outreach mission, we were also joined by a team from PhilHealth. So for those of you who want to inquire about your membership or who want to update your PhilHealth membership, we have a 4-member team who came from the Philippines, and they are at the back po. Yun po, on this side, at the back, makikita niyo po yung signage ng PhilHealth. They will still be there until tonight. So for those who want to ask about PhilHealth. And we also have SSS, and there's a representative at the embassy. And of course, Pag-ibig, we were also coordinating with Pag-ibig, and they were able to provide virtual services. And we also conducted overseas voting registration. Araw-araw naman po yun sa embassy, no? And of course, I want to warmly welcome the OWA delegation led by our administrator, Arnel Ignacio, who came from the Philippines, and also our colleagues from the MWO OWA from Alcobar, who are also here. And also the members of the Filipino community in Alcobar. And I wish all the contestants for the OFW Got Talent Alcobar and OFW Got Talent Bahrain all the best. I know the contestants are here getting ready for the competition. All the best. And I also wish to thank all the participating booths around in the bazaar, as well as the businesses that are here for supporting this event. And of course, our partner also in all this endeavor
Kung wala yung venue, wala po tayo ngayon. So, thank you to the management of Oasis Mall, Jofer. Okay, maraming salamat. And I hope na marami sa mga kababayan natin ang masasayahan sa programang ito. So I will not take more of your time and please enjoy. And I hope that this evening will really be productive for all of us and may it help further build community. No? Yan yung pinaka-importante why we get together. Not only to, to enjoy and be entertained, but also we socialize, we come together as a community, and that is very important. And in some ways, if we have Bahraini and other guests here, we hope that you will also get a glimpse of what Philippine culture is, especially our resilience as a people. So maraming salamat and thank you all for coming.
Mga babae, Your Excellency. Okay, Ambassador Ann Aragon Luis. Ma'am, maraming salamat po pakilalayan. Ayan, thank you. Kita niyo naman, kung sakasakali kayo mahulog sa hagdan, safe na safe. Safe na safe tayo. Okay. Ngayon naman po, siyempre, malaking partisipasyon o pagmamahal din ang binigay sa inyo ng ating mahal na ambassador. Palakpakan natin ulit. Kung tayo masasawa palakpak. Ito susunod po ay siyempre, ganoon din. Minamahal din kayo mga kababayan natin sa kahit saan lupalo ng daigdig. Basta may Pilipino, andito ang puso nito. Maraming salamat po, Ambassador. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Ngayon, tawagin natin ang isa sa mga nakilala kong government officials. Ito na yung sinasabi ko na hindi yata nagtulog, nagpapahinga, kahit inuubo, kahit may sakit, natatrabaho para po sa inyong lahat. Let's welcome the workaholic and visionary of OWA, Administrator Arnel Ignacio!
Hello! Thank you, Eric! Kamusta po kayo? Ako, ang saya-saya nito. Ang saya-saya talaga ang balik saya ay talaga ito-todo nating ibalik. Ang tagal ko nang hindi ko nakabalik dito sa Bahrain. Ang ganda-ganda na at lalo nang gumanda ang mga ating OFWs dito. Kaway-kaway naman, naka-live tayo ngayon. At dahil, and also gusto ko pasalamatan, alam nyo ganito pa-special kayo. Ang buong pamilya ng lahat ng ahensya ng ating pamahalaan na may kinalaman sa pagpapaganda ng inyong buhay. Narito, of course, ang DFA nandito, nandiyan ang ating ambassador. Ang DMW nandito, ang buong pamilya ng DMW from Riyadh and Al-Kubar, ang ating mga labor associates nandito, ang ating buong board of trustees nandito, at ang OWA, of course, nandito. Palakpakan naman natin sila lahat. Napakarami nating artistang dinala. Kaya abutin tayo dito ng alas 3 ng umaga. Kaya lang hanggang alas 11 lang daw. Andito, mamaya darating. Sino po mga darating natin mga artista? Fernando po Jr. Sino pa? Rico yan! Pero total naman, maraming nanonood sa atin. I'd like to take a special opportunity. Ito po, ang aming pamilya sa DFW would like to celebrate because finally we now have a secretary, a very good friend. Congratulations and looking forward na lalo pa natin pag-itingin ang pagwalaga sa ating OFWs. Secretary Hans Kapda, sana nanonood ka. Binabati ka namin lahat at excited na rin kami mo para magtrabaho. Hindi ko na po patatagalin. Katulad na sinabi ni Amba, nandito po, kumpleto, ilang pa natin mga ahensya ng pamahalaan para, sige. Yan dami na andyan ang SSS, Pag-ibig, PhilHealth, pagsamantalahan niyo po yan, and we shall have more of this, and abangan niyo po yung, nandyan of course, si Eric, at saka yung mas gwapo niya kasama na si Tuko, tapos si Ayla Santos and si Peter. na champion natin sa America's Got Talent. And of course, the whole roster of very, very talented OFWs from Alcobar, Riyadh, and Bahrain. Maraming salamat po and enjoy the whole afternoon!
Mga kababayan! Administrator Arnel Ignacio! Maraming salamat po, Admin. Amen. Ayan. At syempre, pasalamatan din po natin muli ang ating Philippine Embassy dito sa Bahrain sa pangunan ng ating minamahal Her Excellency Anne Halandon Luis and Migrant Workers Office and Overseas Workers Office at ang ating Filipino community leaders na ginawang posible ang baliksaya dito sa Bahrain sa pamumuno po ng OWA Administrator Arnaldo A. Ignacio. Kilala si Arnaldo A. Ignacio, okay? Oh, Jocelyn O. Hapal, palakpakan natin! Ayan, welfare officers and OWA employees, BDO Remit, maraming salamat! At syempre, sugot po ng aming plane ticket, ang Paramount Life, palakpakan po natin ang Paramount Life, and General Insurance Corporation. At sa lahat ng ating mga kababayan mula sa Bahrain at Alcobar. Okay, sisimulan na natin ho ito. Magandang gabi po. Ito po, panoorin po natin ito ng sabay-sabay.
We could have Oh,
dito mo, costume na costume mo pala, mas mahal pa sa plane ticket ko, papunta rito. Dito, okay lang ba? Ayan. Oo, marami pa susunod, huwag ka magkalat, ano? Ano ba kita? Ang galing mo naman, biro na ha? Saan ko ba? Saan ka saan ko ba?
Sa Alcobar.
Papa, saan sa Kubar?
Alcobar, ASA po talaga siya. Para po siyang Manila sa Saudi Arabia.
Hindi Kubar ilalim o ibabaw?
Alcobar siya.
Kubar pala yun. Ang galing mo naman. Ilan taon ka na iya?
22 po.
22. Anong work mo rito?
As a receptionist and Kemat Alsiha Medical
Pero
Center.
bilib ako sa'yo. Talaga pinakita mo ang talento mo. Sandang prosyento. Ang galing pa pala pa natin. Contestant number 1, ladies and gentlemen. Patrice Garcia. Thank you very much, Patrice. Thank you. Isipin mo. Kita mo, costume pa lang. Syempre, paalala ko mga kababayan natin dito, of course, we have only 3 judges para po sa portion na ito because ang naglalaban po ay ang grupo ng ano ba maganda? Alcobar? Ang tama ka? Alcobar, right? Alcobar? Kasi iba tawag Alcobar di ba? At 3 po judges natin. Iba po ang kumbaga paglalaban na ito para sa mga Alcobar, taga-Alcobar lang. Next, ang ating mga taga rito sa Bahrain. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, second contestant, Jerry Tamayo.
Alam nyo, ang hirap pumunta rito.
Magpapagupit sana ako, pero okay lang. Ang galing mo ha? Oo, galing mo ha? Pero mo, talagang pinaghanda mo pa rin yung costume. Sa Pilipinas, yung ganyang suot. Pag ganyan ang suot sa Pilipinas, huling suot na nila yun. Pero okay lang. Pero okay lang yan. Maganda bagay naman sa'yo. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much. Baka malamig ka na ha? Pero okay lang. Maraming salamat. Kinakabahan ka siguro. Pero ang ganda ng boses mo. Bilib ako sa'yo. Palakpakan natin, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 2, Jenny Tamayo. Galing, galing. And move on to our contestant number 3, of course. Babasahin ko na ating mga judges. Hindi ho sila kompleto. Para po lang sa kung bakit sila ang ating mga judges na babasahin ko. Miss Nina, thank you. Ang judge number 1, Miss Anna, and Captain Felix. Sila po ang judges dito po sa ating Alcobar contest. Foundation under po ng POA and Dolly also. 2014 Outstanding Migrant Worker given by Polo Eroa, Philippine Embassy at Riyadh. 2009 up to 2013, Middle East Regional Director po ng Team Kingdom of Saudi Arabia on the WCOPA, Los Angeles, California, US of A. Okay, 2014 to 2017, ang dami talent, ang dami pinagdaanan na taong ito, magaling. Talent Scout Team Philippines, WCOPA, Los Angeles, California, US of A. Voice and Stage Performance Coach Philpop Family Club. Former Voice Stage Performance Coach Center for Pop Philippines. School Champion 5th Metro Manila 5th Student Pop Music Festival. And also Scholar Voice and Stage Performance Training at Center for Pop Music Philippines. Top 9! 5th Metro Manila Student Pop Festival held at Cultural Center of the Philippines. Former Grand Champion Fatima Yamaha Music Made Provincial of Bulacan held at Fatima Valenzuela. And last but not least, a vocal coach and proud father of singer, actress Miss Kim Molina. Once again, judge number 2, Dr. Ronaldo E. Molina. Fireball. Sir, you may come forward. Yan po ang special table para po sa inyo. And move on to our judge number 3. Is a Russian. Wow! Russian musician. Toko, humanda ka, may Russian tayo dito. Russian musician who has established an international career as she performed in several countries such as Portugal, Spain, South Korea, Morocco, and currently Bahrain. Her music style can be described a combination of classic pop, electronic dance music, and world music. Anna completed her studies at Conservatory of Music in Saratov, Russia, and received a diploma of music teaching, member of orchestra and solo performing. Wow! After graduating, she participated in Regional Philharmonic Symphony of Orchestra in Spain. Really? Wow. Now, ladies and gentlemen, judge number 3, Miss Anna Nazimova. Good evening, Judge Anna. And of course, ang huli, eto Judge number 4, Captain Felix, as he fondly called, hails from the province of Banga Aklan. He also completed his bachelor degree in Associate of Nautical Science at Philippine Merchant Agriculture School and has earned his master's degree at the International Academy of Management and Economics, okay, IAME. He is the current Vice President of the Associated Marine Officers and Seamen, or Seamen's Union of the Philippines, a duly registered non-profit, non-business trade union cabal organization of about 100,000 overseas Filipino seafarers, working on board vessels engaged in international trade since 2010. At present, he is incumbent member of the Overseas Worker Welfare Administration, or OWA, Board of Trustees, representing the sea-based sector, ladies and gentlemen, of course, Judge number 4, Trustee Felixberto Rebustes. Thank you very much, judges! Isang masigabong palakpakan sa ating mga judges. So, kita niyo naman, meron pa tayong Russian na judge. Okay. And now, eto na. Sisimulan na natin. Okay? Tawagin na natin ang ating first contestant. Or, pwede na bang ipalabas muna ang ating ABP? Ready na ang ating ABP? Ready? Okay, once again, ladies and gentlemen, watch this.
Well, that's it for now. But before I go, please like, follow, and subscribe to Nanjo Francisco Reports. And don't forget to hit that bell button so that you'll be updated about our latest videos. Until then, thank you for watching. Bye!